Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to two of these little bad boys here. And we're going to be changing out from this one to this one. As you can see at the minute, I am somewhat away through this video. I was currently recording with said GoPro and that died. And I was like, oh no. So I thought what I'd do is make a quick video of how I really went about this. Obviously, they both have these meshes. I like to call them meshes. I'm not exactly too sure what the real definitional word is for these. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. Take this off. This is the easiest bit ever. It just slides right off of the old system here. As you can tell, I'm sure I made it clear. This is the old one for VW up, and this is the new one which I could be putting in. This, you might be thinking, well, what's the difference? So these, you can obviously see, it's got a flick, which one way turns the light on, flick, which turns it off. With this one, it has the same thing here, but it also has two reading lights here. I'm going to put in some LEDs in here as well. If you do buy one, they do come as like halogen bulbs, the little orangey yellow looking bulbs. But if you do want to upgrade, let me know in the comments. I can always link you guys to where I got these LEDs from. And yeah, that's what we're going to install today. As you can see through here, you've got those two little holes. Two little holes here and here, which you're going to need to take out. I used a, where is it? A T20, as you can see that, T20 Torx head to get these off. It came off really easily. They should look a bit like this. I'm not sure if you can see that. I've actually lost the other one, so I'm going to go on a finding mission around this car to try and find it. And the issue is, they're really small and they're really black as well, so that does not really help me too much. But I'm sure I'll find the other one. And then all you're going to have to do is disconnect the cable from back here. There's this little plug here. It's a pain in the ass, these two little clips on the side. I'm not too sure you guys can see that in the light. There you go, the two little clips there. It's a pain in the bloody ass to do, but once you get it out, you're good. And you just want to install it, same sort of connector on this one, as you can see, but it runs all this wire, what do you want to call it, electric stuff, yeah. And all that good stuff. And yeah, what we're going to do is reconnect this one, put the two things back in, and you should be good to go. So after about half an hour of looking around this bloody car, it's surprising how big these cars are. I found both of these screws which are going to go into this. So yeah, this is sort of turned into a hide and seek kind of video than a tutorial. But what we're going to do is we're going to get that clipped up into here, put these two screws in, and then I'll check back in with you guys when it's all done. It's kind of self-explanatory, this job. It's quite easy, but I thought I'd just let everybody know how to go back, because it can't exactly be the easiest thing in the world. But yeah, let's get this clipped up and put these screws back in. And as you can see, we are now installed. All went back in, got my lights on, and yeah, everything like that. One thing I'll say for people that are doing this is make sure that this thing is all the way over to the right, so it works automatically like your old one here would. That's the only issue I've come across. And as you can see, light comes on, light comes on. The only issue I've got at the minute, I need an LED for the middle one. So at the minute it's like that, but that is being fixed. But yeah, very, very nice and very, very easy. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you're new as well. We are getting a lot of subscribers over our tutorial videos. And yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But until then, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you all again for another video. But until then, peace out, guys.